In the heart of South Asia, two nuclear-armed neighbors, India and Pakistan, are now locked in a new kind of conflict: a silent, high-tech drone war. Cross-border tensions have entered uncharted territory as both countries report intercepting each other's unmanned aerial vehicles. But behind this rising drone warfare lies a deep contrast in drone numbers, capabilities, and origin stories. Let's begin with quantity. India's drone arsenal is significantly larger. It includes over 200 medium-altitude long-endurance drones, nearly 1,000 mini UAVs, and several advanced systems in the pipeline. On the other hand, Pakistan maintains around 60 male UAVs, with additional Air Force, Naval, and Army tactical drones, totaling around 290. While exact figures differ, the numerical gap remains clear. But numbers aren't the whole story. The origin of these drones tells us a lot about each country's strategic alignment. India primarily sources drones from Israel and the United States, including the powerful Heron and MQ-9B Sea Guardian series. Pakistan, meanwhile, relies heavily on Chinese and Turkish systems, like the CH-4 and the Bayraktar TB2, battle-tested drones that bring cost-effective firepower to the table. Despite both countries advancing indigenous drone programs, imports remain critical to their drone fleets. Next, let's explore the technological differences. India's Harpy and Harop drones, developed by Israel Aerospace Industries, are loitering munitions designed for precision strikes and suppression of enemy air defenses. With long loiter times, autonomous fire and forget modes, and high-end targeting systems, these drones bring elite-level tech to India's arsenal. The American MQ-9 Reaper, used by India in Sea Guardian and Sky Guardian variants, offers over 27 hours of endurance, precision strike capability, and global satellite control, making it one of the most advanced drones in the world. India's own Rustom-II is also a promising indigenous platform, aimed at delivering ISR missions and guided missile capabilities at a fraction of the import cost. Pakistan's top-tier drones include the Bayraktar Akıncı, a high-altitude, long-endurance UAV from Turkey capable of both air-to-air and air-to-ground combat missions. The Bayraktar TB2 has already proven itself in global conflicts from Libya to Nagorno-Karabakh, making it a highly valuable tactical asset. China's CH-4 drone is another powerful addition, boasting a range of up to 5,000 kilometers and precision strike capabilities with multiple missile systems. Pakistan's domestic Shahpar series also shows evolving capabilities. The latest Shahpar 3 supports both surveillance and combat missions, signaling a shift toward indigenous self-reliance. So, what does this mean for South Asia? India appears to be focused on high-tech, long-range, and autonomous strike drones backed by Israeli and American support, with increasing investment in homegrown tech. Pakistan, on the other hand, leverages cost-effective and combat-tested drones from Turkey and China, while steadily enhancing its domestic production. The India-Pakistan drone war is still unfolding. But one thing is clear. This is no longer just a battle of borders. It's a battle of the skies, and it's only just begun.